Hello you guys, my name is Reuven. I'm from Leather Art Company here in Israel. I specialize in repairing and restoring leather sofas. About 2 years ago, I did training at the LRC company in Hall, at the amazing Richard and all the LRC family. I was also exposed to leather repair innovations during both my work and the company's amazing repair materials. I expanded my knowledge and my experience in the field. Since I'm completing my training and returning with the tools and the products of LRC, I doubled and tripled my number of clients. I am currently the sole reseller of LRC in Israel. So anyone who wants to start a new business or upgrade an existing business in the field for training that costs less than £1,000, it's really worth it. Very recommended by LRC company only. So, as we said, we know leather.